Welcome to VoroMotors. Did you know that you can get an EMOVE Touring or even an EMOVE Cruiser for free? With the new VORO Rewards Program, this is now a reality. VORO Rewards is a coin-based system, so when you shop at VoroMotors.com, every dollar you spend earns you 1 coin. Before you start collecting your coins, you'll have to make an account on our website. But doing this alone will get you 150 coins. And once you're signed up, just go to the icon in the bottom left and open up the Rewards app. You can earn coins by liking our Facebook page, following our Instagram page, then following our TikTok page, joining our Facebook groups, and by subscribing to our YouTube channel. And you'll also get 150 coins every time your birthday And you'll also earn 150 coins every time your birthday comes around, so make sure you fill that out too. But the best way to earn coins is by referring a friend. And for every successful referral, you will get 2,500 coins. To refer a friend, just make sure you go to the Referral Program tab and click the Refer a Friend button. A link will then pop up that you can share with your friends. With this link, they can get $50 off their first scooter purchase, while you get 2,500 coins. Now everybody wins. How you choose to spend your VORO coins is up to you. When it's time to redeem your coins, you can choose between our top vouchers for 5,000 coins for $50 off, 10,000 coins for $100 off, or 30,000 coins for $300 off. And these vouchers are not stackable. And we plan to add more rewards and more redeemable prizes throughout the year, so stay tuned. When you're ready to redeem a voucher, click on the voucher you would like to activate and then copy the code it provides. And not to worry if you lose this code, because it'll automatically pop up at your checkout screen. Remember when we talked about a free scooter? Well, if you're one of our top 10 referrers by the end of the year, you'll be entered into a raffle to win an EMOVE Touring or even an EMOVE Cruiser. And the top 10 referrers will be drawn at the end of the year, so you have lots of time to become number 1. Your journey to a free scooter starts today, so what are you waiting for? Create an account and start earning. And if you want to learn more about your scooter, make sure to join one of our many online communities where our riders share lots of tips and tricks daily. So please leave any comments below if you have any questions. Give this video a like, hit that subscribe button, and hit that bell. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.